actually my favorite because the simple is more boyish, let's say, tomboy. It's pretty cute. Hi everyone, Loopy98 here, and today I'm here to show you 4 cute outfits for your animals. So, because I was a non-member and I think I'll soon be again, I will do 2 for non-members and 2 for members, and they will all be with things that you can buy at Jamart clothing or at a party. So let's just get. I'll start with the member ones. So for this one, I will go for the article more like a tomboy, more boyish. So I'll go for my head with this baseball cap. I choose it color black. This phantom necklace. This sport jersey. And lastly, these high top sneakers. I like this look a lot because a lot of people just go and put white because it looks more pure and stuff, but here I decided to go with a brownish, something like that. This one over here. And this is the main color, and for the other color I choose this turquoise, dark turquoise, let's say, and no pattern. Here is my, no, I'll just close it, please. I have my red carpet here, and this one is my favorite because it's more boyish, more like a tomboy, let's say, and I like it, yeah. Next, I have the wolf. It's for non-members, and for the head, I chose this head flower. I think the head flowers look cute on every animal. I don't know why, I just love them. I sometimes use them even for my member animals. I think they're so cute. When I was a non-member, I was constantly wearing one. I had a lot. I think I had one from each color. And as you can see, I kept my favorites. I will choose to keep nothing for the neck because for the neck we basically have the necklace, which is just no, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, and this heart rocker, but I don't have it on the right color. I'll go with a star cape, yeah, and for my feet I'm just gonna go with this, because the other one was for members, sorry. And I chose no pattern. The main color is the one next to this pinkish white, and the other color is the pinkish white. When I'll become a non-member, I think I'm gonna keep a tiger and the bunny. That's why the next non-member one will be a bunny, because I want to see what I can do to look good when I'll be again a non-member, at least partially good. Next we have the fox, and I choose to be for the fox something more like girly and nice. So from the freedom party I took a freedom flower crown. For the neck, I chose the heart locker. Though it's not member, you can still wear it if you are a member. For my back, I chose the hula skirt on blue. And this time, I have the pearl bracelet on blue. And I choose this time a pattern because it doesn't look quite as thunder on the fox. I don't know why, it looks more like stripes. I chose the thunder and the right and this corner, you know, where you have the secret, let's say, color. But I didn't choose the secret color, I chose this color. And I chose this light orange and the white. I think it is cute because it's more like for the, wait, that doesn't look good. More for the girls, let's say, and stuff. I like it. I think I'll keep my fox like that. And now lastly, we have the rabbit. So, for the head, I'll go again with a head flower but on blue this time. With nothing for the neck because of the same thing. The heart locker would work if it wouldn't look this weird. Because the bunny has a big fat neck, let's say. So no. And again a star cape on blue this time. And these woven shoes. I chose the leaf pattern on the same bright orange as for the fox's main color. The main color for this one is this white, and because it's for the nose and the ear, I chose this pink, light pink for it because I like how bunnies look in real life, and that's how they mostly look, with white. But though when they are white they have red eyes, but I won't keep them that way. And I think this is super cute. Just look at it. So those were the outfits I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed. And until next time, bye!